Odumje agaba. Periwego na. I prefer Odumje to Mbaka. Oganyo check 5 million UBA. 5 million. The following day, it Odumje. Come niggas in a bank. Bank say only ya contact only there we check. Oga was with microphone. He said, don't leave the bank, wait there.
Biakwano na Akachaam reply gokwa na Odumje. Hey, unu mana Odumje mere video n'isi Akachaam si no ndị ike ụka gwugoro tiwe na ewe si na Akachaam jere igwu ndị ụka ojoro na onwe ego gwutelofa ti ahụ wee na-agbakasị ya si na Akachaam na Ifeanyị Uba ego na Ifeanyị Uba enyeghị ya si onezi anya uche wee bụrụ na ego Ifeanyị Uba kwesịrị inye na-eji wee na-alụ ụlọ ụka. Hey, si na Akachaam so wee na-agwa ya Ifeanyị Uba na ya alụzi na ụlọ ụka na oso wee mife batalụ na Ifeanyị Uba alụchaghị onye bụ ụlọ ụka ti Ifeanyị Uba wee gbu ya nkịtị duto na Ifeanyị Uba ala ikele ife Chineke ịkwado ọnọdụ Chineke tiwe wee na-ewe Akachaam wee si Akachaam nya kedu ife o jebere na diocese Nnewi mbọtị emepere wee ji ime na onwelu $1 o wetara ebe ahụ. Hey, tia na oto wee tụọ ego eji wee lụ ụlọ ụka ti ego o wetahụ si ọ na-ewe ya iwe si na ego onye ọzọ ka Akachaam na-ewere iwe na Akachaam bụ aka gọm na stringi ya ede egwu tia na ego Ifeanyị Uba ka ọ na-ewere iwe na $1 ya ọdụ na ego Ifeanyị Uba si na Akachaam na-esi ọnwụ na Ifeanyị Uba wepụtara ego ya wee lụọ ụlọ ụka na ọ bụrụkwa ego Akachaam si iwe wee na-ewe Akachaam wee si na Akachaam bụrụ ọkụrụ Ifeanyị Uba kpatara na Ifeanyị Uba alụchaghị nya bụ ụlọ ụka wee nwụ na Ifeanyị Uba kwesịrị ịlụcha nya bụ ụlọ ụka wee nwụ. Hey, aka m etinyekwara unu ka unu ka Odumje tiwekwu unu mara nke ikpeazụ a na Odumje tinyeziri vidiyo na copyright. Onye ka Akachaam fụziri nya bụ ife onyonyo wee bịa wee sị ka ọ depụrụ anyị Odumje otu biri gokwanụ mana ọ sịkwara na Odumje ka Fada Mbaka mma na-agbanyekwa unu ya bịa ka unu were ntị unu wee gere nnọọ.
Odumje agaba. Periwego na periwego. Do you know why I prefer Odumje to Benson Okoye? I prefer Odumje to Mbaka. Because Nigeria, we are suffering and smiling. And Abu Nashineke Woputaro, before as Onya Muma, you was the love of money. Now music comedy. It's okay as well. Amuma. Onya kwezi Onya Muma adika mama. 30 years ago. It's up to 30 years now back. This guy, I'm so because I had my father's house, tenant house in Odumje. 30 Odumje on the chat. It's my father's house. So I think from our ladies, weekend, one of my friends, some way about to guy ban on it, William. One naira. And that's on the regular, reluctantly. And if anybody fall, because I've always known that so many things are not right. Even you go other place, you can be a come if only one yako, one a guama. But when you fool, and also if you he didn't say anything more than that. But I don't know. Oh, you got the grace of our map to go or not there. But what you are doing now, like I said, I prefer it. Nobody possible by didn't ease their pains. In Akpamamu and likewise so many other people. So maybe they can make content. You know, I cannot say one side of the truth and leave the other. This is what I say. I'm going to stingy. Oh, I talk it fire. But I'm going to find out how to do it. It didn't make a best people I can't do that. About 30 years ago, major. Hopefully like 10 times, and that's the only thing. And I was even angry. Enough man to give me no. If I was I got no afagano. It's up to 30 years. It was 1995 or 1996. I got no afagano. And say, Kuchana, or some Joseph was more support. Or not has a prophecy. Before Akachaam, I mean, event alone led me to be kind of popular. No. So, this is going on. I no career. So mbeje maka na your man chọrọ ka ị bịa fefe anya ụba mụnwa karịa nsogbu maybe onye believe na ọgwa ha na ọ dị easier. The day I accepted that you can come was the day you came, and then I'll put the video here. Afterwards, Oganya will check 5 million UBA. 5 million. The following day, I know now Our Lady of Lost field me here and I make campaign. Odumje. Come niggas in a bank. Bank say only ya contact only there we check. Oga was with microphone. He said, don't leave the bank, wait there. Immediately Oga drop microphone. Njekwe. Tanye nante. There and then, we send the account officer message to confirm your 5 million naira check. That was the last time I opened a phone. I want to see union percentage, because some people know the big man so name. That was the very last time we talked on phone, and then today it wasn't normal now. Someone wear night. See man, aqua night. Somebody you look at Miriamaka, especially that full uniform. When I did this guy so much. It wasn't normal. It wasn't a bad no jalu. Jalu I did table. Jalu, it wasn't normal now. Oh, boy, Otego. My brother, way for Melu. I am with Father Neoku. Eh? But tomorrow, I prefer you to many others. If not for anything, you make our people to laugh in a QBP. I will give it to you and keep it up. First thing I do my hip hop, now I make comedy, now I make my actor. Maybe I go tell you say big product tell you 100. So always you have to put a scene in the scene maybe, eh? I cannot say one part of the truth and leave the other. And I can be back over. Mbaka said something last Sunday now. No come corner no can for you. I didn't reply him. He's a smart guy. Okay, for him was what he said. All than the Benny men no J Park no getting Jaka. Back I reply come here. Saga. I don't have that time. Manifest basically reply. I don't do any email. Only some reply. I'll see okay. European people would have known this 5 million naira part that you got because of me. When you had Odumje, which you do kwe. Eh? I said, Nanda Maya, Linule, Ebanointing, that Kamalo cargo and anointing. Do I can one? But it's video able to make be fine that I opened access for. Like I said, I also confirmed the check of 5 million naira UBA. Before the can do what date itself. Before I want to make campaign the Senate for under YPP. To buy a